I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the image so you can work non-destructively. Open the highest resolution source you have. Once opened, immediately duplicate the layer and hide the original. This preserves a fallback. Next, check image size and resolution. Make a note of current pixels and DPI because you will upscale. While you're here, set interpolation to bicubic or preserve details if available. This controls how pixels are generated during resize and reduces blocky artifacts. Once the duplicate layer is ready, upscale in modest steps, around 1.5 to 2 times per pass, because gradual enlargement preserves detail versus a single huge jump. After each pass, apply mild noise reduction to soften pixel blocks, then use selective sharpening on important edges like eyes or text so you don't reintroduce artifacts. For stubborn blocks, use frequency separation or a smart blur on low-frequency areas to smooth tonal transitions, while to finish, flatten a copy and inspect the image at 100% to confirm detail and natural texture. If you see halos or exaggerated edges, dial back sharpening, refine your masks, or use low-pass filtering on the sharpened layer. This removes edge glow. Save an editable master file, then export a high-quality JPEG or a lossless PNG for delivery. Troubleshooting tip: if results still look blocky, return to smaller upscale steps and increase noise reduction between passes. That usually fixes persistent pixelation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.